They can impeach me, Mr. Chair, but there is life after politics, Mr. Chair. They can even kill me, but there is life after death, Mr. Chair, where my father is writing in peace.
Oh, niguo urugari wabatirire riria Ngabana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko egwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igii ugima wa mwiri giikaro kiria gigutwarithagio na mbere kuhitukira nenda cia kiriu. Sonko ekwenda gwatariria na njira ndikiru kiria gitumite mihang'o ya ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi tharare ukirikana niaregete kuhitukia kurekererio gwa kigina kuri ruhonge rwa NMS ya kurugamirira mihang'o ya ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino.
Unless we put our foot on the ground, just like we did with the revenue formula and other matters, yes, this Nairobi will just rot and nothing can happen.
Let them legalize NMS, we give them money, Mr. Chair. Otherwise, those intimidations, Mr. Chair, I want to repeat myself. The dark days are over. The other day, Oscar Sudi was arrested. He's free because of the constitution.
Motungata maige mogima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na nginyagia kurihwo kwa marigitari ni mareketie kugagaya Sonko akihita ona mamwagagie gutiri ona ndururu kurekereria kuri NMS.
I will not allow anybody to breach the law. I'll not allow any intimidations, Mr. Chair, from anyone, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, the law is very clear. Let us follow the law. We give NMS money.
Mihang'o ya ugima wa mwiri ni umwe wa motungata maria maigirwo rungu rwa uramati wa NMS na ngucanio gatagati ka murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru Mohamed Badi udumwe na Sonko ni utumite mihang'o ino itharare na njira nene.
So there is no amount of intimidation. Ile watatumia, Mr. Chair, to intimidate me, to give them money, and that is illegal. And we know all the COVID billionaires have landed in Nairobi through NMS to steal county funds.
Kurigana na Sonko kubwa kwa ruhonge ruru rwa NMS kuyukia mamwe ma motungata kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kwari mugaru na watho nawe kuhitukia kigina kirekererio kurio egukorwa kiuna watho.
Found that there is no provisions or there is no legal framework to transfer this funds to them.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta nierega kugeria kuiguithania Badi na Sonko no iguano ucio wari wa ihinda kuona kwa ihinda riri uthimani wa hinya gatagati kao ni ucokereirie.
Thank you, Governor. Thank you very much.